Classic shit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. So today's video is another what I eat in a day. I'm starting my day off with a herbal tea. Herbs are a great way of reversing so many diseases, including autoimmune diseases, cancer, fibroids, cysts, and this herbal tea I got from a brand called Eat to Live Not to Die. This is a great way to start your morning, refresh your body, break your fast without putting anything too heavy in your body. I have my herbal tea with a key lime, which basically means a lime that's seeded. We don't really have, well, we're not very used to seeded limes in the UK, but you can get them. Any fruit that you're going to eat, make sure it's always seeded, because that means it's coming from God and not from man. But it's just a great way to boost your immune system, and it has so many different vitamins and minerals that are great for your body. So this is what I drink to start my day. The herbal tea is also great to kill mucus in your body. Mucus is what forms disease, so you want to keep your mucus levels down. It also helps with headaches, migraines, diabetes, heart disease, so many different things. So after that, I grab my watermelon to eat. You guys already, well, you should already know by now, like, watermelon is one of my favorite fruits. And it's so weird because when I was younger, I never liked watermelon at all. I genuinely disliked it. I don't know if it was the texture or the taste, but ever since I've transitioned to eating more healthy, I absolutely love watermelon. I'm so sad that watermelon season is over. This was filmed back in July, I know. So this is when watermelon season was at its highest. Watermelon, especially seeded, make sure you get seeded watermelon with black seeds especially. That's how you know it's really God made. They're just a great way to hydrate your body. They're 90% water. It's also a great way to heal your muscles. So if you're a gym goer and you're sore, this is a great way to help your body feel better. It nourishes your body. It's great for your lymphatic system. It literally cleanses you out. And the seeds are also edible. They are a great source of protein. So watermelon is just an amazing fruit all around. It keeps your skin clear. You can't go wrong. Oh my god, this combo, watermelon and key lime, oh my god. When I tell you this tastes so good, I don't know where I've been. I knew people do the like combination, but I never like tried it properly. I started trying it this summer and oh my goodness, it just hits every single time. Sometimes I eat my watermelon, sometimes I juice it, depending on how I feel. But when I tell you, watermelon will keep you full. Oh my god, like if you're eating even just a slice, you would realize that you're getting full quite quickly. It's so tasty. I think it's such a unique taste as well compared to other fruits. You're gonna get really full. There's no way you're gonna be hungry after eating a big plate of watermelon. So amazing fruit. I would 1000% recommend. It's such a shame that we are out of season now, but we go again next year. So yeah, that's my kind of like brunch, I guess. So next it's time for lunch, and we are making a green juice. I don't know, you guys should know me already, like green juice and watermelon juice is like my favorite. Yeah, I love me a green juice. Green juice is a necessity daily. It's just a great way to hydrate your body, and there's so many different benefits, especially with eating leafy greens. So my green juice normally consists of cucumbers, pears, ginger, key limes and parsley. Sometimes I switch it up depending on how I feel, but yeah, I absolutely love this combo. It tastes so good. It's spicy. Ginger is great for your lymphatic system. A great ingredient to have at home. Basically, you can put it in teas, you can make it into juices, you can have it as shots. If you want a link to my juicer, I'll leave that down below as usual, but I'm just using my Nama juicer. I love this juicer because it doesn't really take a lot of time to process. You can have your juice in like within minutes. A green juice a day keeps the chronic illness away. Amen, amen, amen. It's just an amazing way to boost your immune system and make sure you are in tip-top shape inside and out. So for dinner, we are making vegan egusi. I don't want to use the word vegan because I'm not completely vegan. I just try my best to make better daily eating choices, or food choices, should I say. So we are making plant-based egusi soup. So if you don't know, I am Nigerian and I am Yoruba, which means we just love egusi. Well, I personally love egusi soup. It's one of my favorite Nigerian dishes, and of course I want to still eat like what I'm used to, but you know, just make it healthy. So we are taking fresh tomatoes, and I'm gonna blend that with onions and what we call rodo, but it's basically Scotch bonnet, and I'm blending that in my blender with some water. In hindsight, I probably shouldn't have put the water in because tomatoes already are quite watery, so you don't necessarily need to put the water in. It's kind of annoying that I did because it didn't make my soup come out the best, but it's fine. And if you know, you know. If you're Yoruba, we just love pepper. Like, pepper is our thing, so I have to put 2 Scotch bonnets in there. And I'm gonna use avocado oil in substitute for palm oil. Avocado oil is just a better and healthier option. It's not gonna taste this, it's not gonna have the same taste as egusi with palm oil, if I'm honest, but it still tastes good. And I'm using iru. I'm not actually sure what iru is, but I think it's some sort of seed. I actually recently found out I'm allergic to shellfish, so I can't use crayfish for obvious reasons, and for the fact that I'm allergic. So in substitute for that, I'm using some sushi, I think sushi roll thingies. I can't remember what it's called, it's left my head. Yes, I'm using that, and I'm just starting to fry the pepper blend or the tomato blend in the pot. So just how you normally make egusi, but just kind of keep it healthy, like I said. So I'm taking Himalayan pink salt and some other seasoning. Again, it's not going to taste the same because normally in a Nigerian household we'll use Maggi, we'll use pepper, we'll use normal table salt, you know, all those other things, but it tastes similar. It still has that, you know, egusi taste, but just a little bit different. So I'm gonna wait for that to fry a little, and then I'm gonna prepare my mushrooms, which are basically gonna be my meat alternative. Today I am using oyster mushrooms. Oyster mushrooms are just amazing. They're amazing food all around. They are high in protein and high in fiber, and great for your muscles, great for your nervous system, great for your brain health, just so many different benefits. Mushrooms are just an amazing healant. But I personally love the taste of mushrooms. Yeah, I'm a mushroom girl, so I love the texture, I love the chewiness, everything. So I'm gonna season them, and I'm gonna put them in the oven just to like get them a little bit crispy, to get that kind of fried feeling, like fried meat feeling, without frying in it. And then I'm gonna put them in my stew later on. Going back, I'm just gonna check how the stew is doing, and then I'm gonna put my mushrooms in. Next, I'm taking my egusi, which is basically melon seeds. They're blended melon seeds. I just love the taste of egusi. I don't know what kind of crack they put in it, but I just love egusi so much. And I'm gonna eat this with plantain. To be fair, plantain is quite a starchy, what is it? Is it a vegetable? I don't know, but it's quite a starchy food to have, so it's not the best option. If you want something a little bit more healthy, I will probably go for a blogo banana. The small bananas, those are a lot more healthy. Yeah, I'm taking my spinach and I'm just adding that to the egusi. For some reason, it looks very unedible, but I promise you, this tastes so good. Like, I went up for seconds, thirds. Like, this was so good. And I personally love a soft plantain. I love soft and salty plantain. It just hits all the time. So yeah, that is my dinner. It's quite a full one. I felt super full. And then normally I end the night with a key lime tea, and that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and do check out my other videos. I'll leave them here. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you soon. Bye. Mwah.